Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. We're going to take a look at eating keto at Longhorn Steakhouse. So a few years ago, they came out with a keto-friendly menu. It was a big promotion for them. They have a lot of great keto options. Of course, all the steaks, the outlaw ribeye, 1 net carb, Flo's filet, 2 net carbs. They also have a lot of great sides. You can get the salads. Just make sure no croutons. So I'm not feeling like a steak tonight. I'm going to look at their Parmesan crusted chicken. So they have two sizes, your 9 ounce and your 12 ounce. The 9 ounce is plenty. I'm going to end up eating about half of it and taking half home. 650 calories. Now this is the regular menu option. So you can see the breakdown of your macros. So these are total carbs, 12 in a 9 ounce. Parmesan crusted chicken. However, you can end up getting it and ordering it with no breadcrumbs. So if you order it with no breadcrumbs, then it's 490 calories and 1 net carb. Asparagus sides, those are delicious. Broccoli. And then they have the special, you can look it up before you go, a special keto-friendly menu and see how to order things. But you have salmon, pork chops, chicken wings, different variety. Then they have the new farmer's market chicken where you have the asparagus, tomatoes, mushrooms cooked in, and you get a 6 ounce for 240 calories with 4 net carbs. Or you can do the 9 ounce about doubles it. Eating with a family, best thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more weigh-ins, recipes, eating out, just the keto lifestyle in general. Thanks for watching.